Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic farmhouse cottage decor is a cozy, romantic decorating style that blends rustic farmhouse charm, soft cottage comfort, and elegant vintage details. It feels warm, lifting, slightly old, and beautifully nostalgic, like an old countryside home filled with treasured heirlooms. How fantastic farmhouse cottage really means. First, farmhouse roots, inspired by traditional rural homes, similar to classic countryside interiors found in beaches like France or England. This style includes natural wood furniture, open shelving, apron front sinks, simple, practical layouts. It is comfortable and functional. Second, cottage softness. Cottage style adds floral fabrics, lace curtains, pastel colors, cozy reading corners. Think relaxed, sweet, and welcoming. Next, fantastic elegance. The fantastic part introduces the strays or whitewashed furniture, antique mirrors, brush or ceramic knobs, crystal candelabras, delicate details. Nothing looks brand new. Pieces well collected over time. Uses typical color palette like cream and ivory, soft shades green, dusty rose, pale blue, warm beige, muted lavender, soft faded tones, never bold or harsh. Common furniture and decor pieces uses distressed wooden cabinets, slip-covered sofas, farmhouse dining tables, wicker baskets, floral cushions, vintage clocks, ceramic pitchers with fresh flowers, crochet blankets, perfect for your interest. The overall feeling, it feels calm, romantic, nostalgic, cozy, feminine but rustic, like a peaceful countryside cottage filled with charm and history. The story behind the style, this style is heavily inspired by the romantic countryside homes of England, soft provincial interiors from France, rustic American farmhouse living. Key design principles, the secret formula, collected not secreted. Nothing should look like it was bought all at once. The space should feel layered over time, like heirloom passed down through generations. Mix old plus slightly old pieces. Display meaningful objects. Avoid matching furniture sets. Imperfection is beautiful. Scratches, faded paint, chipped ceramics. These add charm. Use distressed wood, slightly tarnished brass, aged patina on mirrors, softly wrinkled linen. Perfection feels too modern for this style. As natural materials are essential, you will often see solid wood, wicker and rattan, cotton and linen, stoneware and ceramic, iron hardware. Plastic and glossy finishes don't fit the mood. The mood and atmosphere. Fantastic Farmhouse Cottage Decor focuses on how the space feels, not just how it looks. It should feel peaceful, warm, sunlit, softly nostalgic, safe and comforting. Lighting plays a huge role. Warm white bulbs, table lamps with fabric shades, candlesticks, shade curtains that filter sunlight. Furniture style details. Look for furniture with curved legs, curved details, paneled cabinet doors, baseboard backing, glass front hatches. Common features: farmhouse dining table, slip-covered armchair, vintage dressers, open plate rack, wooden bins with cushions. Decorative details that define the style. These small touches make a big difference. Use fresh flowers in ceramic pictures, crochet towels, stacked antique books, framed botanical prints, enamel kitchenware, vintage wall clocks, lace or eyelet curtains. Texture is more important than color. Instead of bold colors, this style relies on layered textures. Use linen plus oud, lace plus iron, wicker plus cotton, distress paint plus glass. Texture creates coziness without visual clutter. Difference from similar styles. Modern farmhouse. How it's different? Cleaner, more black and white, less romantic. Shabitic, more feminine, more pastel heavy. For rustic farmhouse, darker oats, rougher finishes. Prince country, more ornate and elegant. Fantastic farmhouse cottage sits gently between all of this. Why people love it? Because it feels calm in a busy world, brings nostalgia, makes small spaces cozy, encourages solo living, feels personal and meaningful. The lifestyle behind the look. This style is not just decoration, it reflects a slower, simpler way of living inspired by rural homes in places like England and France. It represents morning sunlight through shade curtains, fresh flowers from the garden, baking bread in a cozy kitchen, handmade blankets on wooden chairs, a peaceful countryside atmosphere. It celebrates comfort over perfection and meaning over trends. Next, layering. The most important technique. This style feels rich because of layering instead of empty surfaces. Wooden table, lace runner, ceramic pictures, and fresh flowers. Next, a sofa, with slip covers, crochet throw, and floral cushions. Next, a wall, use vintage mirrors, small framed botanical prints. Layering creates softness and charm without clutter. Signature patterns. Patterns are gentle and nostalgic, never bold or modern. You will often see small floral prints, gingham checks, tall, classic countryside senses, subtle stripes, botanical illustrations. Tall patterns originally became popular in 18th century France and are still iconic in cottage interiors. Furniture personality. Furniture should look slightly aged, solid and sturdy, handmade or heirloom. Common characteristics: turned legs, curved drawer fronts, distressed paint finishes, antique brass knobs, glass cabinet doors. Nothing sleek, shiny, or ultra modern. The role of nature. Nature is very important in this style. Bring in fresh flowers, dried lavender bundles, olive branches, potted herbs in the kitchen, wicker baskets, and wooden cutting boards displayed vertically. Even small apartments can feel cottage inspired with greenery. The lighting philosophy. Lighting should feel warm and gentle, not bright and harsh. Best choices: fabric lampshades, candlesticks, wall sconces, small candelabras, warm white bulbs. Evening lighting should feel cozy and romantic. Handmade and heirloom touches. This style loves handmade details. Use crochet table runners, embroidered pillowcases, quilts, knitted throws, vintage linens. Emotional feeling of the space. A true vintage farmhouse cottage homes feel safe, feminine but rustic, nostalgic, peaceful, and timeless. It should feel like a place where memories are made. It differs from pure shabitic. The shabitic look made popular by designers like Russell Ashwell is softer and more pastel heavy. Fantastic Farmhouse Cottage has more natural wood, includes rustic elements, feels slightly more grounded, less overly pink. It balances rustic plus romantic beautifully. The collected over time rule to make it authentic makes flower market finds combine old with gently aged new pieces, display meaningful objects, avoid matching furniture sets, let some surfaces breathe. The home should look lived in, not staged. Architectural details that supports the style. Even if you don't live in a countryside, you can recreate these elements inspired by rural homes in England and France. First, walls. Use baseboard or shiplap, soft matte paint finishes, and subtle wallpaper like tiny florals or tile, and wainscoting. Next, floors. Use natural wood, medium or light tone, owned looking finishes, layered rugs like jute plus faded floral rug. Next, ceilings. Exposed wooden beams, simple crown molding, whitewashed finishes. These architectural details create the perfect base before adding decor. The time period influence. Fantastic farmhouse cottage often blends features from late 18th farmhouse simplicity, early 19th European countryside homes, 1920s to 1940s cottage interiors. You might see antique hatches, porcelain wash basins, old wall clocks, glass front cabinets. The goal is to create a sense of history. Styling surfaces the right way. This style avoids empty or overly minimal surfaces. Kitchen counter. Use wooden cutting board, ceramic pitcher with flowers, linen towels, a small antique skull. Coffee table. Stacked of old books, a small brass tray, candle, wicker baskets underneath. Open shelves, layered plates, iron stone bowls, famous teacups, giant herbs. It should feel crowded but relaxed. Fabrics and textiles very important. Softness defines this look. Best fabrics linen, cotton, eyelet lace, crochet, quilted patterns. Avoid shiny polyester, bold geometric prints, high contrast modern patterns. Texture creates warmth more than color does. What makes it look authentic? To avoid looking like a staged set, mix odd, don't match everything. Use real books, not decorative fake ones. Add personal heirloom items. Keep some areas slightly imperfect. Avoid too many farmhouse sign decorations. Authenticity comes from meaning, not trends. The emotional atmosphere, when done correctly, the home should feel quiet, soft, feminine yet grounded, lived in, peaceful. Why this style is timeless, unlike modern design trends that change quickly. This style is rooted in tradition, uses natural materials, focuses on comfort, feels nostalgic. That is why it never truly goes out of fashion. The energy of the home. Fantastic Farmhouse Cottage Decor creates a solo living atmosphere. It is inspired by peaceful countryside life in places like England and rural regions of France. The energy should feel calm, not busy, gentle, not dramatic, warm, not cold, collected, not styled, all at once. The space should feel like it evolved naturally over years. The soft egging principles, one secret of the style is that nothing should look brand new and shiny. Instead, look for slightly faded paint, lightly on wood edged, subtle patina on metal, soft washed fabrics. Even if you buy something new, choosing matte finishes and muted colors helps it blend in. Why this style feels so comforting? Physiologically, this style works because soft colors reduce stress, natural textures feel grounding, warm lighting creates safety, vintage objects trigger nostalgia. It reminds people of slower, simpler times. How to avoid. To keep it authentic, avoid bright LED white lighting, glossy finishes, ultra modern decor, too many word sign, plastic looking decor. Too much trendy decor breaks the nostalgic feeling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.